All right, Sprinkle's doing box number 2. Damn. Ryan Mountcastle. Nolan, Gavin, Cody, and Matt. Don, Mookie, Bryce, and Jack. Like I said, I could miss one. I'm not going to look through every card. They're kind of going to be a common card anyway. Probably $5 or $10 eventually. Depending on the grade, unless you send them in for grading. You did get this Franco. You're getting different Francos in every box. Key Bryan and Taylor Rogers. Yeah, that did rhyme, card capture. That flow rhymed. I'm a regular wordsmith. Kyle Tucker, Bob, and Javier. Just the base. If you do get the short print, it'll be in here and backwards. Nate Pearson, Cody, and Bo. Freddie, Freeman, Omar Navarez, Mookie Betts, Feet, and Vidal Brujan. Aja, you just ordered a hobby. You wanted it broke or shipped? I forgot to check. I can do it next for you. You were next. Break it or ship it? Tell me how you like it. Johnny hit the bench. Shohei Ohtani foil. Hey, another one of those die cuts. Eddie Murray and Nolan Ryan. Jose Ramirez bat. Break with sprinkles. Jazz, Choi, and Vladimir. Yeah, I'll break it right after this. And then Ricky got a couple of Star Wars. He ordered right after you did, so I'll break that right after that. Franco. So there won't be any more in here. And TJ Friedel. Autograph, rookie. Casey Mize, Piazza, and Pineda. Where's Johnny numbered? Who's Johnny? They said. Smiles. Who's Johnny? She said. This is Kyle Tucker, 2022. Kyle Tucker in the bed. Judge, How Far Padres, and Lucas Giolito. Johnny Bench? No. They got gold and silver cuts. Oh, that was a Rosarina. I thought that was another Franco. James Franco. But it wasn't. Rozelle, Pete, and Bob. And Miguel Cabrera patch. The die cut? I don't think so. What year was that pulled? Jake Hamburger gold. Was it in here? I don't know. Probably wasn't. I don't think there are any die cuts that are numbered. Anyway, that's it. Thanks, Sprinkle.